How to change your username in Fiverr.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Unfortunately, you cannot change your username in Fiverr.com, but you can change your display name. I'll show you how to do it in just few simple steps. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to Fiverr.com. Then go to your profile icon in the top right. And then you need to head over to profile. And then you need to tap on edit. And then here you can choose your display name. And then hit save. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.